Hi, my name is Annette. I'm a student at LJIC in Des Moines, Iowa. And today I'm going to do an easy, fast updo for homecoming prom. And you can follow me on Impressive Images on Instagram. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the hair from ear to ear, all the way back. The bottom part, you're going to gather it up and put it in a bun. If you miss some of these little flyaways, you can just get them in when you're completely done with some freezing spray. So this client has short hair. The longer the hair, the easier it's going to be. So even though her head is shaved at the bottom, you can still do this. And you're going to take the top part, and can I have you look up? You're going to divide it into 5 ponytails. It doesn't have to be too tight because you're going to separate each of them and pull them through. Then you're going to start at the middle. Just going to slide your finger in between and make it into 2, like that. You take this and pull it through. And the longer the hair is too, you're going to take it and pull it up. You're going to do that to all 5 of them. So then you go back to the middle, and it doesn't matter what side you start on. You loosen it up a little bit. With her having short hair, I have to loosen it a little more because you don't want the rubber bands to show. And you take it and you put it through the middle. And you do that to all of them. And now is when you take the bobby pins and you pin so they're not going to slide out. And so you can't see the rubber bands also. You take that, you twist it like a bun. Pin it so you can't see the bobby pins. Sometimes too, I take the bobby pins and like when you want to tuck it in, you actually take it and twist it, tuck it under. Then you go through and just get all the fine little hairs so you don't have any gaps in between. And you can tell where you need to stick another bobby pin. Okay, so now when you're done, use the freezing spray. It helps with all the flyaways. And you do not want to use this until you are completely done because it does exactly what it says. Freezes your hair, gets all the flyaways, and it is humidity resistant. You could add to it some embellishments. to dress it up, some baby's breath, and this is the final product.